नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है गुंजन और आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे इस बेहतरीन शो में जिसका नाम है सितारे मस्ती में। और आज मेरे साथ हैं बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ही टैलेंटेड, the beautiful actresses, the heroines of the upcoming movie Houseful 2. Welcome Jacqueline and welcome Asin. आप सबका स्वागत है।
Thank you.
Can I get the glares? You know, इतना आपका ऑरा है, इतनी खूबसूरती, मेरी आंखें जो है वो
Did you also just interview Shahzan and Zareen and do the same thing?
No. हमें ये बताया गया था
Those
कि
are not the lines that.
Of course not.
Yeah, I see it written there also then.
ये लिखेंगे Houseful 2 इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं, बड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है। क्या आप प्लीज हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनके लिए बताने की कोशिश करेंगे, थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजन दूर करेंगे कि कौन किसकी बेटी है?
हाँ, मैं चिंटू जी की मतलब ऋषि कपूर जी की बेटी की किरदार कर रही हूँ।
डब्बू जी की बेटी है। मुझे पता लगा है कि इस मूवी में आप अपने लिए एक लड़का ढूंढ रही हैं, you know, हर
नहीं, हमारे पिताजी हमारे लिए
कुछ सूटेबल मैच ढूंढ रहे हैं।
Yes.
क्या आप भी ढूंढ रही थी अपने लिए सूटेबल मैच?
in the film?
या
No, not really.
Okay.
In fact, we object to the fact that our fathers are searching for a guy.
आप खुद ही ढूंढना चाहती हैं?
We're not interested.
We're not interested.
प्लीज एक बार सोचिए,
You were wondering who these roses were
Yeah,
for.
actually.
प्लीज सोचिए इस बारे में।
Are we supposed to share this?
नहीं, ये फिलहाल आप ही के लिए।
Okay, thank you so much.
That's very sweet.
So मैं
It
तो
matches you.
जवाब आप देना चाहिए।
Yeah. Acha, you're asking me, are you proposing?
मैंने
Oh, he's proposing. Oh, this is the moment.
TV.
This
Oh,
is
this is
the
the
moment.
moment.
Very romantic.
बताइए,
She's tears in her eyes.
आप बताइए प्लीज।
क्या?
हाँ या ना?
हाँ for what?
Will you go on a
She
talk?
will keep the rose. Thank
Go on a
you.
date with me?
I will keep the rose. I will think about a date.
Yeah. And to get to the.
क्या आप It's okay.
He's a pleaser. He's a charmer.
Shame on you.
Yes,
For
exactly.
cheating like this.
Let's
ठीक है, आप
throw
दोनों
it back
खुद
at
ही
him.
चले जाइएगा।
Cheat.
मेरी बेइज्जती इतनी ज्यादा कभी नहीं है। Okay.
I'm keeping it.
The movie is all about dirty dozen. तो ऐसा कौन सा dirty काम हो रहा है इस फिल्म में, ये बताएं।
The guys are doing the dirty calm of conning people.
Yes.
Okay.
Because there is just actually one jolly. लेकिन ये सब लोग ऐसे pretend कर रहे हैं कि वो jolly है. And they're confusing the hell out of everybody.
Okay.
So I don't think that's a nice thing.
They're conning the brides, they're conning the fathers. And so there's a lot of masti, there's like a lot of
बड़ी jolly good किस्म की फिल्म है ये।
Yes,
jolly
of
good
course.
film, jolly good film.
और हमें ये भी पता है कि जो इस फिल्म के जो डायरेक्टर है वो भी बड़े जॉली गुड हैं। We all know him for his wit. मगर मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगा कि क्या वो सेट पे उतने ही विटी थे या वो थोड़े गुस्से भी?
नहीं, गुस्सा कभी नहीं था. At least I've not seen him lose his temper. और हमारे साथ तो
कभी
बिल्कुल
गुस्सा
नहीं.
नहीं
हमारे साथ तो
Not
बिल्कुल
with us.
नहीं. क्योंकि I think he's very protective about his leading ladies.
Yes.
And he's very concerned and caring. And he's always like, are you okay? Are you comfortable? Have you eaten?
आप सब एक दूसरे को पहले से जानते थे?
नहीं.
पहली बार सेट पे मिले? आपने अपनी जो को-एक्टर्स हैं उनके बारे में कोई ऐसी नई चीज डिस्कवर करी जो आपको लगा था कि
We have a very funny story about our first scene together.
Yeah?
Yes.
How was that?
It was very, very scary, I think, for the both of us. Because we had never met ever.
Of course.
And
And we were shooting in London, so it was his
we
outdoor
were shooting in
schedule.
London.
We had landed
Okay.
up there.
We had, the first time we met was on the set. And we didn't even have time to discuss the scene, nothing, okay? Like, I came on set, then Asin came on set, and Sajid's like, okay, shot ready, let's go. And you know what our first shot, our first scene was? She had to come running up to me and call me a...
ए सुकड़ी बोम्बिल.
And then I had to do this to her and pull her hand and I said, shut up. And that was our scene, our first scene. And you don't
It goes on and on. It just doesn't
लेकिन
stop
एक
here,
बात-
but we don't want to do that for the
मुझे
family
एक बात
channel.
बताएं, ये जो आपने भी डायलॉग बोला है, पहले एक बार एक्शन रिप्ले।
ए सुकड़ी बोम्बिल.
Hey, Botoxy Budiya!
That she calls my mom.
I call her mom and then she comes running after me.
I
and then
said, अगर मेरी माँ के बारे में ऐसे कुछ बोला ना, तो मैं तुम्हारी what is that? Something फोड़ दूंगी.
yeah, and we were like, I was shivering.
चार हीरोइंस जो हैं वो सेट पर हैं। हमने कोई कैट फाइट्स के बारे में सुना है?
There was
Nothing.
and it was, you know, you read so much about it in
Yeah.
the paper and then you expect it. And honestly, being, you know, the actresses in the movie, I was like expecting it and, you know, maybe something will happen, but nothing came, nothing happened,
चार
nothing.
हंसी खुशी बहनों की तरह।
Yes.
पिक्चर खत्म कर।
बहनों की तरह नहीं, दोस्तों की
दोस्तों की
तरह.
तरह।
Yeah.
But नहीं,
But we are बहनें in the film.
कभी
Yes.
कभी एक बार भी इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं हुई कि उनके कपड़े मुझसे ज्यादा अच्छे लग रहे हैं। She is looking much hot.
I think we're beyond all those things where we were probably kept very comfortable and yeah, as in we were treated
पूरी
equally.
सेवा की गई है।
We were
हाँ, we
treated.
were treated equally, and I think there was clarity from the onset on, ताकि there are no clashes or insecurities or doubts. जो which can lead to clashes.
तो यानी कि आप ये कह रहे हैं कि 8 मर्द जो थे और उसके ऊपर से दो साजिद थी, प्रोड्यूसर एंड द डायरेक्टर, they pampered you? उन्होंने आपकी बड़ी
They didn't
सेवा
pamper us, but they didn't, treat us unequally or anything.
Yeah, I think they were very careful that they had 4 actresses on this set.
pretty actresses.
And we have to keep them happy, and we need to. But I think that we should
Be given some credit as well.
because we actually really bonded, and we made. I think what we could have made lives very
Difficult for
difficult.
everybody.
We didn't, and we remained very professional. We remained very, I think.
कल
grounded and normal.
अक्षय कुमार ने ये बताया कि कैसे आप लोग आराम से तैयार होते थे और आराम से पहुंचते थे और कैसे उस वजह से उनके सीन्स यहाँ से यहाँ हो जाते थे.
Whoa, what lies, what lies.
No, that was just Shazan.
We're getting there. We're just getting there. We're getting there now. अब हम पहुंच रहे हैं. पहला अच्छा.
We love you.
Houseful was a super hit.
Yes.
Is there any pressure? क्या आप पे भी दबाव है जब आपने फिल्म साइन करी कि एक पहली मूवी जो है वो
I think we don't take all that numbers into our consideration. We just go about looking at what characters we have to do and how we have to do it.
Okay.
I think those stress and tension would be taken by the director of the film or the makers of the film, as in the producer, the director, and the people behind the scenes. But for us as actors, we just go on set and do what we're told to do, and we hope that it does well. But we have trust in the makers. We have trust in the script.
We're going to take a short break और हम अगली ब्रेक ले लो यार, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होने वाली है यहाँ पे. बाय बाय.